In this video, I'll show you how to create AI ASMR cutting videos for free every day using Google's VEO. First, open Flow in your browser. As you can see, from 3rd of February, free users get 100 credits initially, and then 50 free credits every day. That means you can create around 5 ASMR videos daily for free. Now, let's get started. First, we need to create an image that we'll later use to generate the final video. Open a new project. Make sure Create Image is selected. Change the aspect ratio to Portrait, 9:16, because we're creating videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Choose the image model as Nano Banana Pro. Now we need a detailed image prompt. For this, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Open ChatGPT and log into your account. Go to the GPTs page. If you don't see it, type GPTs in your browser URL. Search for ASMR. Select this GPT. Start a new chat. Enter a food name. For this example, I'll use lemon. You'll get a detailed image prompt. Copy this prompt and paste it into Flow. Generate the image. Once the image is ready, download it. We'll use this image for video generation. Now, switch from Create Image to Frames to Video. Upload the image you just downloaded. Next, we need a video prompt for VEO3. Go back to ChatGPT and start a new chat. Type, "Give me a video prompt for VEO3 for 8 seconds using this image prompt." If you want longer videos, you can say, "Give me a 16-second video prompt in 2 parts of 8 seconds each." Later in the video, I'll show you how to extend your clips. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow. Now, check the settings here. First, set the aspect ratio properly based on your platform. For Shorts and TikTok, keep it at 9:16. Next, choose the video model, VEO 3.1 Fast. If you select the quality model, you'll get slightly better results, but it consumes more credits per generation. Since we're working with limited free credits, Fast mode is the best option for daily content. Now, select how many outputs you want to generate. Keep in mind, each output costs 20 credits, so if you choose more outputs, your credits will be used up faster. Paste the prompt, generate the video, and you'll get your final ASMR cutting clip. Here's our generated video. Let's play it. As expected, it looks and sounds natural. If you want to extend the video, click here. Then on Scene Builder, select Extend. Now, paste the second part of the prompt and generate the extension. After everything is generated, download the videos. If the combined download doesn't work, download each clip individually. Open any video editor, merge both clips together, and if needed, you can blur or erase the VEO watermark. Export the final video and upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. If you want to generate more videos daily, you can upgrade to a Google AI subscription with up to 25,000 monthly AI credits. And you can also purchase additional credits if needed.